phone or tablet waterproof? How? Let's jump right into it. The first way to do it is, take a bowl or a cup and fill water about 50 ml or 100 ml. Fill the water and keep it in the freezer or fridge for 15 minutes. Yes, at least 15 minutes you have to keep it in the freezer or fridge, and then after 15 minutes take it out, and then take out your phone's back cover, your back cover or anything you have, no, your back cover. And after the back cover removed, pour your phone into that water for at least 10 seconds. Or for 10 seconds you have to pour your phone. 10 seconds, mark my words. For the first day you have to pour your phone for 10 seconds, and then the second day do the same for 20 seconds. Second day the same but for 20 seconds, and the third day for 30 seconds, for fourth day for 40 seconds, for fifth day 50 seconds, and the sixth day you have to keep for 1 minute 60 seconds. For the sixth day you have to put for 1 minute means 60 seconds, and that's it. Your phone can now swim. Your phone can now swim. Yes, that's it. So next time your phone is wet or just in the water, your phone will not be dead and your phone can now swim. Try this practice. It is 100% a real trick. I have tried at my home in my personal phone. Okay, so here's the first way, and the second way to do is, by the first way your phone is not getting waterproof or anything else problems comes. The second way is for you. In the second way you have to contact the manufacturer of that phone, or the dealer or the manufacturer, and contact them or email them that my phone practiced a lot about swimming but cannot swim, and it is at default piece, so please replace it. That's it. Now you have the waterproof phone, and now your phone can swim. So if you learned something new today, please subscribe, hit the red subscribe button, and if you like this video, be sure to leave a like and be free to leave a comment. Yes, free to leave a comment. So let's meet up in the other video. Goodbye.